Oras mga kapatid, 3 minuto makalipas ang alas 10 ng gabi. Magandang gabi mga kapatid. Welcome po sa ating late night kantahan sessions para kay Benny John Ray Tadeo at kay John Dave Vibalubal. Araw po ngayon ng Huwebes, July 9, 2026. Samahan ninyo ako sa loob ng 2 oras ngayong gabi mula alas 10 hanggang alas 12 ng hating gabi. At ako inyong mga kasama sa loob ng 2 oras, ang inyong anchorman, Brother Chiro Vinhibay ng Santo Domingo Charismatic Community at ng Apostleship of Prayer. O diba, ang ganda ng outfit ko ngayon. Nakapolo ako tonight dahil espesyal ang ating celebration o espesyal ang ating programa ngayong gabi. Lalong-lalo na tayo ngayon ay nakakatawid na sa ating programa sa loob ng 4 na buwan noong July 2, 2026. Nakaka-4 na buwan na tayo sa ating programa. 4 months na po ang kantahan nilang dalawa. Ang ating kantahan kay Benjan at Dave ay 4 months nang nandito sa ating kantahan sessions ngayong Huwebes. Ako po ang inyong mga kasama muli sa loob ng 2 oras hanggang mamayang 12 midnight ngayong gabing ito para sa 20 awitin na ating mapapakinggan sa ating programa ngayong pong araw na ito ng Huwebes. Magmula sa mga main hits hanggang sa iba't ibang mga kantahan sessions, tayo ay magsasama-sama sa loob ng 2 oras para pakinggan ang mga 20 awitin na ating pakikinggan mula alas 10 hanggang alas 12 ng hating gabi dito sa ating late night kantahan sessions ngayong gabi. Are you ready na ba? Kung ready na kayo, syempre, handa na rin ako. Kaya wag na natin patagalin ng gabing ito mga kabatid. Simulan na natin ang arangkada ng ating mga kantahan ngayong gabi sa ating mga main hits coming from Linda Ronstadt and Aaron Neville sa oras nating alas 16. 6 na minuto makalipas ang alas 10 ng gabi. Halina kayo dito. All My Life.
Just like I dreamed it would be. I feel like we're frozen in time, and you're the only one I can see. Hey, I've looked all my life for you. Now you're here.
And I never really knew how to love. I just hope somehow I'd see. And I asked for a little help from above. Send that angel down to me.
I
ulit, maraming salamat sa ating main hit number 1, ang awitin ni Linda Ronstadt and Aaron Neville, ang awitin nilang All My Life. Grabe, di ba? Paganda ng paganda ang ating mga kantahan ngayong Webes sa pamamagitan ng mga main hits natin. Lalo tayong napapadali sa mga main hits na naririnig natin tonight. Siyam na minuto na makalipas ang alas 10 ng gabi. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Ayan, pumatak ng alarm clock natin. Alas 10 na. Grabe, napadali agad ako. Umpisa pa lang ang programa. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati. Tawagin na kaagad natin ating main hit number 2 mula sa Lighthouse Family, ang kanilang awiting Hi!
When you're close to tears, remember someday it'll all be over. One day we're gonna get so high. Though it's darker than December, what's ahead is a different color. One day we're gonna get so high. And at the end of the day, remember the days when we were close to the edge, and we wonder how we made it through. And at the end of the day, remember the way we stayed so close till the end. We remember it was me and you, 'cause we are gonna be forever, you and me. You will always keep flying high in the sky of love. Don't you think it's time you started doing what we always wanted? One day we're gonna get so high. 'Cause even the impossible is easy when we got each other. One day we're gonna get so high. And at the end of the day, remember the days when we were close to the edge, and we wonder how we made it through. And at the end of the day, remember the way we stayed so close till the end. We remember it was me and you, 'cause we are gonna be forever, you and me. You will always keep flying high in the sky of love. 'Cause we are gonna be forever, you and me. You will always keep flying high in the sky of love.
Alright, maraming salamat sa ating main hit number 2, ang Awiting High ng Lighthouse Family. Tuloy-tuloy tayo sa ating mga kantahan ngayong Huwebes. Para naman bukas ay maiba naman ng konti ang ating kantahan sessions para sa pangalawang bahagi, dahil bukas po ay magkakaroon tayo ng Friday Disco Journey, kung saan sa loob ng 1 oras sa ikalawang bahagi ng ating programa ay magkakaroon tayo ng Friday Disco Mix, kung saan lahat po ng mga paborito nyong disco ay i-remix ng inyong DJ. Bukas na po yan, kaya paghahandaan na natin ang malaki-laking ang ating malaki-laking weekend party vibe. Bongga. Ang ating weekend party vibe sa pamamagitan ng mga iba't ibang disco na pinakikinggan natin, mga pa-main hits kung ano pa man, o di ba? Ganun po yun ha, baka mamaya may mga mapadali na dyan. Hindi pa naman natin alam kung anong papatugtugin doon. Kasama na rin po dyan yung mga paborito kong disco, syempre, hindi mawawala dyan. Si Mr. Kitty, syempre, nandiyan din. Tawagin na natin. By the way po, tawagin na natin ang main hit number 3 coming from Roxette, Crash, Boom, Bang. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang arangkada at ang pagratsyada ng ating mga kantahan hanggang 12 midnight, alas 10:16 na.
My papa told me to stay out of trouble. When you found your man, make sure he's for real. I learned that nothing really lasts forever. I sleep with the scars I wear that won't heal. They won't heal. 'Cause every time I seem to fall in love, crash, boom, bang. I find a hope, but then I hit the wall, crash, boom, bang. And that's the goal, and that's the game, and the pain stays the same. I'm walking down this empty road to nowhere. I pass by the houses and blocks I once knew. My mama told me not to mess with sorrow, but I always did, and Lord, I still do. I'm still breaking the rule. I kick it up, I kick it down. 'Cause every time I seem to fall in love, crash, boom, bang. I find a hope, but then I hit the wall, crash, boom,
Maraming salamat sa ating main hit number 3, ang awiting Crash, Boom, Bang by the one and the only Roxette. Sa oras nating alas 10:21 ng gabi, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang rambulan at ang pag-arangkada ng ating mga kantahan ngayong Huwebes para sa ating mga main hits ngayong Huwebes, of course. Eto na nga, para lalo tayo mapadali, tawagin na natin ang duet ni na Julio Iglesias and Willie Nelson, ang ating ika-4 na main hit, ang awitin nilang To All the Girls I've Loved Before.
To all the girls I've loved before, who travel in and out my door, I'm glad they came along. I dedicate this song to all the girls I've loved before, to all the girls I once caressed. And may I say I am the best for helping me to grow. I owe a lot, I know, to all the girls I've loved before. The winds of change are always blowing, and every time I try to stay, the winds of change continue blowing, and they just carry me away. To all the girls who share my life, who now are someone else's wife, I'm glad they came along. I dedicate this song to all the girls I've loved before, to all the girls who cared for me, who filled my nights with ecstasy. They live within my heart. I'll always be a part of all the girls I've loved before. The winds of change, they're always blowing, and every time I try to stay, the winds of change continue blowing, and they just carry me away. To all the girls we've loved before, who traveled in and out our door, we are glad they came along. We dedicate this song to all the girls we've loved before, to all the girls we've loved before, who travel in and out our doors. We're glad they came along. We dedicate this song to all the girls we've loved before.
Yun naman talaga, maraming salamat sa ating main hit number 4, ang awiting To All the Girls I've Loved Before, ang duet ni na Julio Iglesias and Willie Nelson. Bago natin patugtugin ang main hit number 5 para sa mga tandem na madaling masira pero may babalik din sa susunod na araw.
Who traveled
Tulad na lang nga nitong tandem ni na Benjan at Jessica na talagang hanggang ngayon ay nagbibit-bit pa rin ng kilig sa akin. Wow!
this song
Kilig yarn. Oy, i-mark nyo yun. I-mark nyo yung kilig na yun. Ganun lang po yung kadali.
and may I
Kasi baka mamaya makita na natin sila nguso sa nguso na. Nguso sa nguso na. Alam na, lips to lips, charing. Lips to lips. Ha?
the winds of change
Lips to lips daw, anak ng pusa. Grabe naman yun. Baka lips to lips, wagas.
The winds of change continue blowing.
Nakakainis eh. Hindi na kami nakapag-picture kaninang tanghali eh. Pero okay lang po yun. Baka bukas. Chance ko na. Iyan oh. Woohoo! Malay natin. Yay! Hanggang ngayon kinikilig pa ako. Nakakaloka. Tingnan mo nga oh. Nung chinat ko si Jessica kaninang alas 6. Nasa simbahan pa lang ako. Ihintayin daw niya sa uwian niya. Kinikilig ako. Nakakaloka. Excited na ako. Kinikilig lang ng konti. Wow!
And that's the way next time.
Hindi po ma-admit na kinikilig talaga.
Live within my heart.
Lalo no, nakita pa natin kaninang tanghali. Sabay-sabay, nagsabay talaga silang umuwi. Lalo kung kinilig to the max. To the max yung kilig. Ganun yun ha. Pag nakita niyo sila magsabay na umuwi, matik, kikiligin ka talaga. Matik yan. Matik yan. Pag kinilig ka, matik, mamumula na rin yung mukha mo. Ay, nako. Eto na nga. Para sa tandem ninyong dalawa to, Benjan, ha? Coming from Ted Ito, our main hit number 5. Ikaw pa rin. Wow, talaga lang. Yay! Kinikilig ako. Para sa mga tandem na madaling masira. Pero may babalik din kinabukas. Oras po natin mga kapatid. Alas 10:28 na ng gabi. Tuloy-tuloy na natin ang ating kantahan para kina Benjan at Dave. Oh, alam na ha, para sa inyo to, Jessica and Benjan ha. Pakinggan nyo na to.
Mawalay ka sa aking puso, kung bakit hanap-hanap ka pa. Ang iyong mukha'y lagi na laman sa isipan ko. Bakit di magawa nitong damdamin ang pagtimo sa mga nagdaan? Sadya na bang ganyan? Pag nagmahal ay di matatakasan. Nais ko'y makapiling ka muli. Nais ko'y mayakap kahit sa sandali. Kung pangarap may tatanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. Nang mawalay ka sa aking puso, kung bakit hanap-hanap ka pa. Ang iyong mukha'y lagi na naman sa isipan ko. Bakit di magawa nitong damdamin ang pag-ibig mo sa mga nagdaan? Sadya nga bang ganyan? Pag nagmahal ay di makakagasan. Nais ko'y makapiling ka muli. Nais ko'y mayakap kahit sa sandali. Kung pangarap may tatanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko.
ko'y makapiling ka muli. Nais ko'y mayakap kahit sa sandali. Kung pangarap may tatanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. Nais ko'y makapiling ka muli. Nais ko'y mayakap kahit sa sandali. Kung pangarap may tatanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa ating main hit number 5. Ang awitin ni Ted Ito, ang awiting Ikaw Pa Rin, na para sa mga tandem na madaling masira pero kinabukasan ibabalik naman. O, diba? Ganun po yun mga kapatid ha. Pag may tandem na nawasak, pwede kong ibalik yan. Bahala na kayo dyan. Anyway po, tuloy-tuloy na tayo mga kapatid. Huwag na natin palagpasin ng gabing to. Sa oras nating alas 10:33. Ayan, nairaos natin ang mga main hits ni Benny John. Tawagin na natin kaagad ang mga main hits ni Dave para sa ating pagpapatuloy ng ating kantahan ngayong Thursday.
Napawalay ka.
Sino nga ba namang huwes ang magsisira ng tandem nilang dalawa, no? Para lang talaga pag pinaghirapan na buuhin, masisira rin pala. Hindi kahit may ibang kasabay. Oo. Markadong markado pag iba kasabay mo. Pag iba kasabay mo sa uwian, markado talaga, matik yun. Isa po dyan, isa po dyan talagang magseselos yun. Baka nga, ito, tamang-tama itong sabi ng netizen, no? Baka matik hindi ka nakakausapin pag iba kasabay mo sa uwian, matik hindi ka nakakausapin kasi nagselos na. Correct! Pag ganun po yan, mayroon na pong posibilidad na may domino effect yan. May domino effect? Wow! Kagaya na lang po nitong susunod kong patutugtugin sa gabing ito. Coming from Cap Freddy Aguilar, our main hit number 6. Ang birheng walang dambana. Ayan na nga ba sinasabi ko?
Ako sa'yo magtapat na pagmamahal ay sumumpa ka, ililimot, hirap. Ang saksi natin ay ang birheng nasa altar. At mga tao nagdarasal. Bakit nga aking mahal, ikaw ay lumibot sa ating sumpaan? At di mo pansin ang sa iyo'y nagmamahal. Kung gayon sinta ako sa'yo, ay paalam, magtitiis habang nabubuhay. Bakit nga aking mahal, ikaw ay lumimot sa ating sumpaan? At di mo pansin sinta ako sa'yo ay paalam, magtitiis habang nabubuhay. Bakit ba aking mahal, ikaw ay lumimot sa ating sumpaan? At di mo pansin ang sa iyo'y nagmamahal. Kung gayon sinta ako sa'yo ay paalam, magtitiis habang nabubuhay.
Okay, maraming salamat sa ating main hit number 6, ang awiting birheng walang dambana. Sa oras nating alas 10:38 ng gabi, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-arangkada ng ating mga main hits hanggang alas 11. At susundan to mamaya ng iba't ibang mga awitin sa pangalawang bahagi from 11 to 12 midnight. Ituloy-tuloy na natin ang ating main hits coming from Black Sabbath, our main hit number 7, Changes.
I feel unhappy. I feel so sad. I've lost the best friend that I ever had. She was my woman.
Okay, maraming salamat sa ating main hit number 7, ang awiting Changes by the one and the only Black Sabbath. Sa oras nating alas 10:43, meron pa tayong 17 minuto bago mag alas 11 ng gabi.
I've lost the best friend that I ever had.
Okay, tuloy-tuloy na po tayo.
She was
Tawagin na kagad natin ngayong gabi dito sa ating programa ngayong Thursday ang ating main hit number 8 mula sa awitin ng Carpenters. Siyempre, ang walang kasawa-sawa at walang kamatay-matay na Solitaire.
There was a man, a lonely man, who lost his love through his indifference. A heart that cared, that went unshared until it died within his silence. And solitaire's the only game in town, and every road that takes him down. And by himself it's easy to pretend he'll never love again. And keeping to himself he plays the game. Without her love it always ends the same. While life goes on around him everywhere, he's playing solitaire. A little hope goes up in smoke. Just how it goes without saying. There was a man, a lonely man, who would command the hand he's playing. And solitaire's the only game in town, and every road that takes him down. And by himself it's easy to pretend he'll never love again. And keeping to himself he plays the game. Without her love it always ends the same. While life goes on around him everywhere, he's playing solitaire. And solitaire's the only game in town, and every road that takes him down. While life goes on around him everywhere, he's playing solitaire.
Maraming salamat sa ating main hit number 8, ang awiting Solitaire ng nag-iisang Carpenters. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating mga kantahan ngayong Thursday. Para pa rin sa pagpapatuloy ng ating mga kantahan ngayong gabi. Ayan, sa mga nakatutok po sa atin, maligayang pakikinig po. Sa inyong mga paboritong kantahan tuwing gabi, nako talaga. Para lang talaga sa mga aawitan para lang talaga sa mga inaawitan natin sila Bejan at Dave, no? Talagang bigay na bigay, buhay na buhay ang ating mga kantahan. At talagang lahat ng mga awiting ating pinakikinggan dito ay talagang pinaghahandaan. Kahit na talagang ang hirap mamili ng repertoire, 'di ba? Ang hirap mamili ng repertoire para lang makapagkantahan. Mamimili ka pa, isusulat mo pa, 'di ba? Eh dito pag ako lang mangangalikot, okay na, madali lang eh. Tawagin na kaagad natin ngayong gabi ang ating main hit number 9 mula kay Bette Midler, ang kanyang awiting Wind Beneath My Wings. 11 minuto bago mag-alas 11 ng gabi.
It must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine, that's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long, a beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would
maraming salamat sa ating main hit number 9, ang awiting Wind Beneath My Wings. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po tayo mga kapatid sa ating mga kantahan ngayong gabi. Oras po natin ganap ng 10:54, 6 na minuto bago mag-alas 11. Tawagin na kagad natin ang huling main hit ngayong gabing ito dito sa ating programa, ang awitin ni na John Anderson and Vangelis. Halina kayo dito, Best Side.
I have seen the compass turning round and round my heart. The senses are yearning for a possible change of heart. It's coming to you, coming to you. You stand upright, you are different. Why the spinal shock, the fusion, the evil? Spill it out on the floor of belief. Come amend this design. Come amend this design with every right we do. I have seen the song that sounds crazy, the story about a boy in the rain. He was standing waiting for the light, as though he did have a reason to know. Did he really know? His eyes were open, they expected someone. In his heart he felt the compass was turned on. I will echo all for the reasons that changed me. Every thought, though it takes so long, is mastered with every plan. It would seem there is no end to the bad or the goodness in man. So my friends, it seems the weariest night just leads to a heavenly dawn. Should we see so much in every time we sigh? Even this week of old music, as that would match my body connection. Let me take your hand, I will be beside you, beside. He took so much a lot of my mind. I can't help believe or notice a line. Is this fate? I see it again and again. Yes, I'm meant to love above every reason, everyone, every season. The compass will turn and turn again. Turn again and turn again.
Maraming salamat sa mga main hits na ating narinig ngayong gabi ng Huwebes. O, di ba ganun lang yun? Eto naman, para lalo tayo mapadali, magkwentuhan muna tayo ngayong gabi, ha? Para naman ganahan kayo ng konti. Patungkol pa rin ito doon sa ating naging topic sa ating previous episode kagabi. Patungkol pa rin to doon sa seryoso yung katukayo na hanggang ngayon wala pa rin nagbago sa appearance. Pag isa lang ibig sabihin yan, pag walang nagbago sa appearance, yun pa rin ang suot. Gaya na lang po ng na-witness namin kaninang alas 11:03 ng umaga. Maaga na nga niya dumating nun, naglakad lang siya naglakad lang talaga siya. Hindi ko ini-imagine. Pero tingnan natin ngayon sa susunod kong patutugtugin. Maya't maya lang ng konti. Kasi itong papatugtugin natin ngayong gabi ay kinompose po ni Father Danilo Isidro SJ. Kinompose ni Father Danilo. Wow! Ang mga letra po ay hango sa Mabuting Balita ni San Mateo, Kabanata 11, talata 28 hanggang 30. Nako mga kapatid, baka mapadali naman kayo sa susunod kong patutugtugin ngayong gabi. Dahil wala pa rin nagbago sa appearance ni brother. Naka-complete uniform at naka-rubber shoes pa rin. Walang kamatay-matay. Diyos ko po, talaga naman. Dito sabi, maiintriga na ako niya pag ganyan ang itsura niyan What if bukas? Ay, asahan mo na. Ano pa kaya itsura niyan bukas? Naku, kinikilabutan ako. Ang aga pa nga niya dumating, naglakad lang siya. Akala ko naka-tricycle charis. Hindi talaga, walang biro totoo to Binarkahan ko na to kaninang umaga. Di pa nag-start ang update ng 12 o'clock nun. Pero anyway po, dahil nga pare ito talaga, sasabayan ko tong kantan to dahil ito'y talagang nagmamarka lang sa akin. May gulay. Tawagin na natin ang awitin na binanggit ko ngayon na hango sa Mabuting Balita ni San Mateo, Kabanata 11, talata 28 hanggang 30. Ang awiting na halaw sa titik ni Father Danilo Isidro SJ at isinulat ng nag-iisang Father Nemesio SJ. Ito speaking of sa mga sa mga magsasabing sasabayan ko po ito, papayagan ko na po bibigyan ko na ho kayo ng pabor. Sasabayan natin ng kantang to. Tawagin na natin sa oras natin 2 minuto makalipas ang alas 11 ng gabi ang ating ika-11 awitin sa gabing ito, coming from Father Danilo Isidro SJ and Father Nemike SJ. Ang awiting Halina Lumapit sa Akin. Sabayan natin ang awiting ito mga kapatid. Maglalagay lang ako ng echo Yan. Sabayan natin ang kantan to.
Kaibigan, tantuin mo isang paglalakbay ang buhay. Sanga-sangang landas ay may kahirapan. Kung may lungkot o panganib sa'yo'y biglang
mapagod sa bigat ng iyong pasal. Panginoon ang balingan, Panginoon ang asahan. Wika niya'y halina, lumapit sa akin. Kayong mga napapagalaking pagiging awain, bigat ng iyong pasanin ay aking pagagaanin. Halina, kaibigan, Sorry, bigla ko natawa. Sorry po ah.
Kaibigan, tantuin mo isang paglalayag ang buhay. Maalon ang dagat at may kalaliman. Kung may unos at may hanging limot, kayang paglabanan. At sa gabi,
Hindi mo kabisado ah.
kadiliman, ni tala ay walang tanglaw. Panginoon ang balingan, Panginoon ang asahan. Ikanya'y halina, lumapit sa akin. Kayong mga namamagal, aking pagiging hawain. Bigat ng iyong pasanin ay aking pagagaling. Halina, kaibigan, lumapit sa akin.
Ayun nang maraming salamat sa awitin na yan na isinulat ni Father Danilo Isidro SJ at inihain sa musika ni Father Nemike. Maraming salamat. Talagang tumatak din talaga yung ano. Yan po ang ating ikalabing isang awitin sa gabing ito. Aray ko. Anyway, maraming salamat na rin. Napakaganda ng kantang yan. Sobra. Hindi mo pagsasawaan. Ayan. Medyo ano na, medyo lumuluwag na ng konti dahil mahangin na dito sa booth. O, diba?
Kahirapan kung may lungkot.
Wika niya'y halina, lumipat sa kabila. Aray ko! Lumipat sa kabila. Bakit? Aray ko! Pambihira! Iniba nyo naman ng konti yung kanta. Aray ko. Sige nga, try natin. Wika niya'y halina, lumipat sa kanya. Aray ko. Aray ko. Ano yan? Rupa may kinto. Aray ko. Puro tayo kalokohan dito. Yan talaga pag epekto ng weekend, oh, 'di ba? Tawagin na natin kaagad. Lumipat. Wika niya'y halina, lumipat sa kanya. Nakakalokang lyrics yan. Chorus lang yun, ha? Binago lang namin ng konti. Pasensya na po, Father Nemi, ha. Binago lang namin. Nakakaloka. Pangkatawaan lang po yun, ha. Hindi po yun joke. Pangkatawaan lang po namin yan. Anyway po mga kapatid, tawagin na natin agad-agad ay 12 awitin sa gabing ito. Yan ang panlabing-isang kanta natin eh. Tinumbok ko lang para di ka magkamali. Diba? Kaloka din, ano? Grabe, naaliw ako ng bongga doon to the highest level. Anyway, baka magbago na ang appearance niya bukas kasi makikita naman natin na maglalakad na naman yung bukas eh. What if, nako eto na, ang pinaka nakakatawang tanong. Eto na, nagtanong dito yung netizen sa akin. Paano daw po kapag nakita mo siya bukas, magpipicture po ba kayo? Ay! Yan ang malalaman natin. Kasi kung magpipicture po kami, ganito na lang siguro. Para maiba naman ang konti. Pagkatapos namin magpicture, aalamin ko yung pangalan niya. Papasulat ko na lang sa kanya. Ipapalagay ko na lang sa notes. Para pag uwi natin dito, pabalik dito sa booth, hahanapin natin. Sorry, bigla akong natawa. Bigla. Paano pa kaya kung ano, di ba? Ganun lang po yun, ha. Baka ewan ko lang kung magbe-picture kami bukas, kinakabahan po ako. Kasi kaninang alas 11 kasi ng umaga, alas 11:03, na jackpot talaga, nakita ko na eh. Kaya lang nakakatawa, alam niyo kung ano? Shortcut pa! Kaya nga! Parang ano lang, di ba? Parang sirang plaka lang eh. Ang lakas pa ng loob mag-shortcut, makahanap lang ng ruta, mabilis sa pagpasok. Mabuti na lang talaga 11:10, chinek na yung mga bag nila. Kasi akala may sandata. Ano ba yan? May sandata, nakakaloka. Tawagin na nga natin ay 12 awitin ngayong gabi. Baka bago pa tayo matuluyan dito na maaga. Tara na po, tawagin na natin. Tawagin na natin ay 12 awitin dito sa ating programa. Tawagin na kagad natin. Ito pong susunod nating awitin coming from ang daldal kasi natin, oh. Ang daldal kasi natin. Nakakaloka, coming from Firehouse when I look into your eyes. Yun, oh, tamang-tama para sa mga seryoso. Alas 11:12 na.
I see forever when I look in your eyes. You're all I've ever wanted. I always want you to be mine. Let's make a promise to the end of time. We'll always be together, and our love will never die. So here we are, face to face and heart to heart.
Woo! Maraming salamat sa awitin na yan ng grupong Firehouse. Ang awiting When I Look Into Your Eyes. Grabe. Diyan talaga ako lalamigin eh. Anyway, oras po natin, alas 11:16 ng gabi. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Grabe, di ba? Pag nakita nyo naman ang appearance niya bukas, sa appearance niya next week, naku po, good luck na lang. Baka maisama na natin sa mga kakantahan sa prayer meeting. Kahit nga nung Friday pa, kinanta na natin, di ba? Mga kaloka. Wala naman akong choice eh. Pag alam mong pogi, pag alam mong guwaping na, kantahan mo na sa prayer meeting. Matik na yun. Diba? Kahit nga di ka niya pansinin, akala mo di ka kilala eh. Makapasabi ka na lang. Tanong ka na lang sa sarili mo, bakit ganun? Nakakaloka, diba? Anyway, dahil nga po dyan, baka mapadali pa kayo lalo dito sa susunod na awiting patutugtugin ko dahil ito po'y coming from Beth Midler, ang ating 13 awitin ngayong gabi. Naku, talaga lang, From a Distance.
From a distance, the world looks blue and green, and the snow-capped mountains white. From a distance, the ocean meets the stream, and the eagle takes to flight. From a distance, there is harmony, and it echoes through the land. It's the voice of hope, it's the voice of peace, it's the voice of every man. From a distance, we all have enough, and no one is in need. And there are no guns, no bombs, and no disease, no hungry mouths to feed. From a distance, we are instruments marching in a common band, playing songs of hope, playing songs of peace. They're the songs of every man. God is watching us, God is watching us, God is watching us from a distance. From a distance, you look like my friend, even though we are at war. From a distance, I just cannot comprehend what all this fighting is for. From a distance, there is harmony, and it echoes through the land. distance.
Yan oh! Grabe yan! Maraming salamat, Beth Midler, sa iyong awiting from a distance. Grabe naman yun. Ginanahan ako bigla. Ay, ang ginanahan tuloy. Sa oras natin, alas 11:22. Grabe. The highest level. Perfect. O, diba? Ganun po yun, ha?
Snow-capped mountains wide
Tawa ko, biglang may patama. Anyway, patawagin na natin.
from a distance.
Sa oras nating alas 11:22 ng gabi, tawagin na kaagad natin ang ikalabing-4 na awitin dito sa ating programa.
Takes to fly
Ako, baka mapadali ako dito.
from a distance. There is harmony, and it echoes through
Coming from Enya, ang ating ikalabing-4 na awitin ngayong gabi mula sa album na The Memory of Trees. Siyempre, paborito nating lahat to. Hope Has a Place!
one look at love, and you may see it weaves a web over mystery. All raveled threads can rend apart, for hope has a place in the lover's heart. Hope has a place in a lover's heart. Whispering word, a sigh of sighs, the ebb and the flow of the ocean tides. One breath, one word may end or may start a hope in a place of the lover's heart. Hope has a place in a lover's heart. Look to love, you may dream, and if it should leave, then give it wings. But if such a love is meant to be, hope is whole, and the heart is free. Under the heavens we journey far, on roads of life we're the wanderers. So let love rise, so let love depart, let hope have a place in the lover's heart. Hope has a place in a lover's heart. Look to love, and you may dream, and if it should leave,
Maraming salamat sa ating napakinggang awiting ngayong gabi. Ang awiting Hope Has a Place with the one and the only Enya mula sa kanyang album na The Memory of Trees na inilunsad taong Jubilee Year 2000. 28 minuto na po makalipas ang alas 11 ng gabi. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang inyong mga paboritong kantahan tuwing gabi dito sa ating late night kantahan sessions. Hanggang alas 12 pa tayo ng hating gabi magsasama-sama para sa ating mga kantahan na ating pinapakinggan ngayong gabi. Ay nako, eto na para lalo tayo mapadali. Bakit? Kinakabahan na nga ako eh. Coming from Randy Van Warmer. Paborito ng lahat to. At hindi ito pagsasawaan ni Numan. Ang awiting Just When I Needed You Most.
You packed in the morning, I stared out the window and I struggled for something to say. You left in the rain without closing the door. I didn't stand in your way. Now I miss you more than I missed you before, and now where I'll find comfort, God knows. 'Cause you left me just when I needed you most. Left me just when I needed you most. Now most every morning I stare out the window and I think about where you might be. I've written you letters that I'd like to send. If you would just send one to me. 'Cause I need you more than I needed before, and now where I'll find comfort, God knows. 'Cause you left me just when I needed you most. Left me just when I needed you most. You packed in the morning, I stared out the window and I struggled for something to say. You left in the rain without closing the door. I didn't stand in your way. Now I love you more than I loved you before, and now where I'll find comfort, God knows. 'Cause you left me just when I needed you most. Oh yeah, you left me just when I needed you most. You left me just when I needed you most.
Alright, maraming salamat sa awitin na yan ni Randy Van Warmer, ang awiting Just When I Needed You Most. Alas 11:33 ng gabi ang ating oras, mga kapatid. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo sa ating mga kantahan sessions ngayong gabi kahit na bumabagyo na. Charot. Joke lang po yun. Anyway po mga kapatid, 11:33 ang ating oras. Tawagin na natin ang awitin ng grupong Kool and the Gang.
You packed in the morning, I stared out the window.
Tawagin na natin ngayong gabi ang awitin ng grupong Kool and the Gang. Ang kanilang awiting Cherish. Yan o. Paborito ko yan.
Let's take a walk together near the ocean shore. Hand in hand, you and I. Let's cherish every moment we have been given, for time is passing by. I often pray before I lay down by your side. If you receive your calling before I awake, could I make it through the night? Cherish the love we have. We should cherish the life we live. Oh, cherish the love. Cherish the love. Cherish the love. Cherish the love. Cherish the love we have. For as long as we both shall live. Cherish the love. Cherish the life. Cherish the love. The world is always changing. Nothing stays the same. But love will stand the test of time. The next life that we live in remains to be seen. Will you be by my side? I often pray before I lay down by your side. And if you receive your calling before I awake, could I make it through? Cherish the love. Cherish the life. Cherish the love we have. We should cherish the life we live. Cherish the love. Cherish the life. Cherish the love. Cherish the love we have. Every night when I think about you, as long as we both shall live, I pray that our dreams will come true. Cherish the love. Cherish the love. Yes, I do. Cherish the love. Oh, this love. Cherish the love. Let's cherish every moment we have together. Cherish the life we live. Hand in hand, you and I. Cherish the love, baby. Cherish the love. Cherish the love we have. As long as we both shall live. Cherish the love. Cherish the love.
Pare talaga may ganun pa eh. Meron pa talagang ganun ha. Sa bagay, tama nga naman. Kasi namimili na ako ng mga main hits eh. Tama na yung sa Air Supply, di ba? Nakapili na ako ng main hits mula sa Air Supply. Ngayon, baka ito, dumagdag pa to. Hindi ko alam kailan i-air eh. Ay, naku, pambihira. Nakakaloka kayo. Hindi ko alam kailan i-air eh. Iisip ko tuloy. Baka nga pagka in-air ko ng 11 to 12 midnight, babalik na naman na isang oras sila Benjan at Dave, di ba? Wala na namang main hits. Anak ng teteng. O, di ba? Nakakatawa. Anyway, tawagin na natin ang susunod nating awitin ngayong gabi. Para naman gumanda na gumanda ang ating mga kantahan ngayon. Tawagin naman natin ngayong gabing ito ang susunod na awitin natin sa ating programa. Sa oras nating alas 11:39 ng gabi, tawagin na natin ang susunod na awitin coming from Gina Telman. Aba, na-miss ko tong kantan to. Tonight's so cold, you know. Yay! Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating mga kantahan hanggang alas 12. 20 minuto na lang, ating gabi na.
First time I saw you standing there, I felt a magic in the air. I tried so hard to run away. You simply ordered me to stay.
Tonight I need your love.
And now I need you more and more. Take a look in my eyes. You'll see love can hurt. Tonight's so cold inside my room. I close my eyes and feeling blue. I talk with shadows on the wall. They know that I still wait for you. Tonight's so cold inside my room. I close my eyes and feeling blue. I talk with shadows on their wall. Tonight's so cold inside my room. And now I sit here by the phone. Why don't you call? I'm here alone. I hear some footsteps on the floor, but it's the neighbor locked his door.
Tonight I need your love.
And now I'm crying in the dark. Oh, I wish you were here to heal the pain in my heart. Tonight's so cold inside my room. I close my eyes and feeling blue. I talk with shadows on the wall. They know that I still wait for you. Tonight's so cold inside my room. I close my eyes and feeling blue. I talk with shadows on their wall. Tonight's so cold inside my room. Maybe someday close my eyes and feel blue. I talk with shadows on their wall. They know that I still wait for you. Tonight's so cold inside my room.
Okay, maraming salamat Gina Chalman sa iyong awiting tonight's So Cold. Ang aking main hit tuwing alas 8 hanggang alas 9 ng umaga sa aking kantahan sessions para kay Makoy at Seb na kasalukuyang ibabalik sa July 20, 2026. Ayan ha, i-mark nyo po yung petsa na yan dahil sa July 20, 2026
First time I
ang muling pagbabalik ng aking update dyan sa Angelicum. Same time pa rin po yan ha, 3 PM hanggang 4:15 ng hapon. Magiging iba rin ang repertoire ng update dyan. Pag umabot ng 1 oras, kayang-kaya pa yan. Pero kung may magtagal, bahala na. Ganun na po talaga ang routine ngayon. Pag may update, alam na.
now I need you more and more.
Lalo na ngayon hanggang 1:30 pa ako kay Benjan bukas.
Take a look in my eyes.
Diba? Baka hindi rin makapag-update ng Friday.
Love can
Kawawa naman yung mga alaga nyo, di ko mapapansin.
so cold inside
Lalo na yung mga junakis ni Sir Joel Cruz.
my eyes and feeling blue. I talk with shadows on their wall.
Oy! Subansat si Raul! Ayun na nga eh. Paano pa kaya? O diba?
So cold inside.
Mababago yung routine, pambihira.
I close my eyes and
Lalong nag... Ano daw?
I talk
Nagka-problema. Ayun na nga. Tawagin na kagad natin sa oras nating 11:45. Naku, kalahating minuto na lang at alas 12 na.
now I
Tapusin na natin ang kantahang to. Tawagin na natin ang susunod sa ating mga kantahan ngayong gabing ito.
hear some
Mula sa awitin ng grupong Westlife, mapaindak na sa kanilang awiting Bop Bop Baby.
Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, when men were still men, women were still virgins, and sex was still sexy, there lived a beautiful maiden who wished to marry for love. But her father wanted her to marry the vilest man in the kingdom for cold, hard cash. Only the mighty musketeers could save her. However, this plan had been thwarted after Duke Vincent had them cast into a filthy dungeon. There seemed to be no hope.
Nothing would break me or lead me astray. Who would have guessed I'd let my mind drift so far away? You always said I was a dreamer. Now instead I'm dreaming of things that's making my mind go crazy. Small things like when I call you at home and he answers the phone, or I get your machine and I don't hear me. When I lie in my bed with the thoughts in my head, when we danced and we sang and we laughed all night. Pop, pop, baby, please don't let me go. Can't live my life this way. Ooh, pop, pop, baby, please just let me know. And put my daddy's control. On the love train, 20 odd years now. I got off today. Nobody said the stop that I've taken was a stop too late. 'Cause now I'm alone, I'm thinking of stupid, hurtful, small set things right. Now that we've gone our separate ways, I just can't live these desperate days. This is what I've been trying to say.
Give me that ring.
Baby, please don't let me go and live my life this way. Baby, please just let me know. Just let me know. Just let me know. Baby, please don't let me go. Can't live my life this way. Baby, please just let me know. Please don't let me go. Baby, please don't let me go. Can't live my life this way. Baby, please just let me know. When my daddy's good. Baby, please don't let me go. Can't live my life this way. Baby, please just let me know. When my daddy's good.
Yes! Alright, maraming salamat sa awitin na yan ng grupong Westlife. Ang awiting nagpaindak ngayong gabi, kahit hindi pa naman Friday. Ang awiting Bop Bop Baby. Grabe ha.
They lived
Brother Ray.
for love.
Anyway, patawagin na kagad natin ang susunod na awitin ngayong gabi.
The kingdom.
Sa awitin pa rin ng grupong Westlife. Naku po, eto talaga, hindi magsasawa, hindi talaga magsasawa to pagdating sa kantahan. Ano? Tawagin na natin ang awiting Safe!
Hard to find a way to get through. It's a tragedy pulling at me like the stars do. You're like gravity, even if the wind blows. It makes it hard to believe. How you gonna love? How you gonna feel? How you gonna live your life like the dream you have is real? If you lost your way, well, I will keep you safe. We'll open up all the world inside so you come alive tonight. I will keep you safe. Does it even matter to you to see what I can see? I'm crawling on the floor to reach you. I'm a wreck, you see. When you're far from home now, it makes it hard to believe. So how you gonna love? How you gonna feel? How you gonna live your life like the dream you have is real? And if you lost your way, I will keep you safe. We'll open up all your world inside so you come alive tonight. I will keep you safe. We all fall down. We all feel down. There's rainy days and summer highs. The more we break, the more we feel alive. How you gonna love? How you gonna feel? How you gonna live your life like the dream you have is real? How you gonna love? How you gonna feel?
Okay, maraming salamat sa awitin na yan ng grupong Westlife, ang awiting Save. Kahit binitbit nyo kung kailan patapos na kayo. Ang bihirang kanta to, nakakaloka. Nambibit-bit pa kayo? Anong oras na? Pwede bukas na lang? Ang ganda ng dulo eh. Ulitin ko nga.
I will keep you safe. We'll open up all your world inside so you come alive tonight. I will keep you safe.
Ano ba? Yun na yun. Ganun lang yun ha. Ganun lang.
You safe.
Bira, nabitbit pa ako ng maaga. Kailan naman ang ganda na eh. Tawagin na natin kaagad ang awitin ni Diana Ross, ang awiting When You Tell Me That You Love Me, ang ating huling awitin ngayong gabi.
I wanna call the stars down from the sky. I wanna live a day that never dies. I wanna change the world only for you. All the impossible I wanna do. I wanna hold you close under the rain. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. I know what's beautiful looking at you. In a world of lies, you are the truth. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are, and bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark when you tell me that you love me. I wanna make you see just what I was, show you the loneliness and what it does. You walked into my life to stop my tears. Everything's easy now, I have you here. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are, and bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark when you tell me that you love me. In a world without you, I will always hunger. All I need is your love to make me stronger. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are, and bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark when you tell me that you love me. You love me. When you tell me that you love me.
Sumayin nyo na po mga kapatid ang 2 oras ng ating kantahan ngayong Huwebes. Maraming salamat sa pagsama ninyo sa akin ngayong gabi. Ako po ang inyong anchorman, Brother Chilo Vinhibay ng Santo Domingo Charismatic Community at Naka-Apostleship of Prayer. Nagpapaalam na po, nag-iiwan sa inyong lahat ng maligayang kapayapaan at magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Bedyan, kita-kits bukas. Saktong-sakto, alas 12.